To my channel, my amazing craft artist. My name is I am DD Scraps. My life is a craft artist. Today's a fun, exciting video for me and you because I think you guys will like this video. Hopefully you do, because I hope you run into your Walmart as fast as you can and get these cute, adorable, and functional notebooks that I got for about $1.75 to $2 something. It's like $2 some change. This one is, don't know why the price difference, but whatever. $2.68 I think it is, and this was like $1.78 or something like that. I'm not sure. I got the receipt around here somewhere, but hopefully you guys like this type of videos. I had so much fun drawing and creating mermaids, so I went and bought some mermaid supplies for my inspiration, because since I'm going back to art school, so this is a cool video for you art students, craft students, or scrapbooker students who want to learn how to draw and create things better. This is a visual aid for you guys to get excited about art and for school. So go back to your back to school section at Walmart. There's so much varieties of cute stuff. I mean, I couldn't believe it. They have better stuff now than we were kids. I'm just like, wow. I love going back to school shopping, because even though I'm not really in school, not really in high school, middle school, or elementary school, I still love going back to school shopping. I think it's fun and exciting to get new notebooks and cute stuff for myself. So I thought to myself, I'm going back to art school. That's to be another video again, because I did drop out about 5-6 years ago during the pandemic. I got paranoid or frightened about something, and I stopped doing it. So I wish I would have kept going, but I am back again doing art school. I gotta pay for it. It's gonna be a lot of money, but I'm gonna do it. So this is what I want to talk to you guys about. This beautiful cherries. Comment down below if you like cherries, or comment down below if you like mermaids. I think the color combinations are really cool together. I love this beautiful aqua color. So let's work on this one right here first. I'll show you this one first. Beautiful cherries. It's glittery. I think it's functional. I love the color. I love the cover. I love how it looks. It's a really good notebook for you. I'm going to use for my artwork. So some lessons I'm going to write in it. And then the back has a beautiful cover as the same. But it doesn't have glitter on it for some reason. Don't know why. But the front has glitter and the back does not. But that's a good notebook if you're into this cherries things for summer, spring, and also fall. So right here, this is really cute right here. This beautiful, functional, look at this beautiful notebook cover, and it's only on the front cover, which kind of pisses me off, because I would like it both ways like the other one, but it is not. So it's mermaid. It's been over with now, and now it's July, and they got the school supplies out. So I thought this to myself, I can use this as inspiration as an artist and a crafter. Oh, there's a rainbow out there. Look at how pretty that is. This is some foiled, beautiful characters. My favorite character on here is the seahorse, and I love that tail, and I love the shells. So one of my characters I'm gonna come up with for my art business is a seahorse. That's one of my characters, so that's gonna be fun. That's a future video. We'll look up for that video very soon. So that's what it looks like. Notebook papers inside, and this is the inside. Cool, right? Beautiful, functional. Let's see the other ones inside. I'll show you that real quick. I think it's the same though. It's the same way. Just notebook paper, and these are really cool. I love these, so go get those. And also I want to show you in this video, if you guys need this for your room, don't buy it if you don't need it. I want to enable somebody to buy something they shouldn't be buying, but I probably shouldn't have bought this myself. So I'm trying to save money, and I'm like, Danielle, this is the only time you ever see this thing, so you gotta buy it. Over here, let's turn it around. Let me move the notebooks out of the way a little bit so I can show you. This is what I bought myself and my mom, and they're on sale right now. I guess it's an on sale price. As you can see right here, this is what it looks like. It's called an organizing cart. Great for organizing files and supplies, and it has locking casters. I think that's what wheels I think it's talking about. This is the size and the width and everything right here, and this is what it looks like in the box. I'm not taking out the box yet, and this from that same company, Pen and Gear. Look what it looks like, you guys. They have it in black and they have it in white. So if you're into this kind of stuff, if you need this for your craft room, your art room, or just for your office or for your bedroom, you should get this. I have a lot of notebooks, a lot of stuff sitting around and needs to be put away. I want to get my room clean and get it organized, and this is what I bought for myself. I wish I would have bought two for myself, because it'd be cool to have two, but that's all right. So thank you guys for watching this video. I had so much fun showing you some amazing sketchbooks right here. sketchbooks, notebooks, but you can use them as sketchbooks. You can write in them and color in them and draw on them. So I guess you can do what you want. But I bought this for inspiration for my art school, and I'm going back, and I can't wait to show you everything in another video. So thank you so much, you guys. Have a great day, and keep crafting no matter what. What? And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and tell your friends about my channel.